delicious, easy, smothered turkey wings served with some creamy mashed potatoes and green bean. Isn't this a comfort meal? Well, on a cozy, cold winter night, serve this up for your family or even for us in the tropical countries. This is a perfect comfort meal. So here we're jumping straight into the video. Here we have some turkey wings and I'm going to wash these with vinegar, pat dry, and add my seasoned blend to it. Allow it to marinate a bit and then we'll come back when it's time to move to another step. And as you see, we have sliced our onion, garlic, and bell peppers, and that's supposed to be it for now. And here we have some broth. To that, we're going to add some all-purpose flour because this is like a one-pot thing. Yes. So we're just going to add the flour to the broth. In that way, we avoid the lumps, and you'll see what we do after. We're also going to use a leftover seasoned blend in this a bit and mix that and set aside. And the next step, we're going to take our baking dish, and at the end of the video you'll see that I changed this one. I'm going to add my onion and my bell peppers and garlic, and we're going to add our turkey pieces, add the broth with the flour mixture, and that is going to cook our meat so it fall off the bone while it's making the gravy. So we're just going to do this, add some butter, cover, and put in the oven. So continue watching, guys. Here we're checking on this after 45 minutes. Yes, and it's getting there. So we're just going to flip these, put it back in the oven, and allow it to do its thing. And I'll come back at the end of the video. Continue watching, guys. So here you have it, guys, fresh from the oven, and as you see, this one is falling off the bone. Yes, and it tastes very delicious, guys. I'm going to put the seasoned blend that I use in the comment section or the description box so you can see the mixtures of herbs that I use to make this one. And here's my beautiful plate of comfort food. Yes. Everyone enjoyed their dinner and asking for seconds. That was very good. So please guys, watch the full video, like, drop me a comment below, and save for further use, and also subscribe if you haven't as yet. And also guys, this is Vlogmas Day 4, so do enjoy the festive holidays with your loved one. Continue watching, I have a lot more to come. So just make sure that your notification bell is on and you will never miss another upload when I post. So until next time guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.